So in this case, what is the probability that a non-leap year has 53 Sundays? I like Sunday. I always like Sunday. All 7 days must be Sundays. So 53 Sundays. We all are waiting for 53rd Sunday in the same year. How can there be 53 Sundays in a non-leap year? So first of all, how many total days are there in a non-leap year? Total number of days in a non-leap year. That is always 365. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. That means in a week, each day comes for once. Now divide 365 by 7. Divide 365 by 7. 52.14. What is it? That means there are 52 complete weeks. 52 complete weeks. That means 52 weeks into 7 days. What is it? It is 364. Why should we calculate the number like this? During these first 364 days, 52 weeks are there. That means each and every day has come for 52 times. Now there is 1 day left at the end of the year. We can say that this is the last day. And we don't know on which day the year had started. Or rather, which was the first day of the year. We don't know. Now this is the last day. If this last day is Sunday, then only there can be the 53rd Sunday. Or which one is the last day out of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday? That will be the 53rd one. Because during the first 364 days, 52 weeks have completed. That means each and every day has come for 52 times. Now this day only can be the 53rd. If this is Sunday, there can be 53 Sundays. So, number of cases favorable to 53rd Sunday is 1, the Sunday itself. But the last day can be any one out of the 7 days. So there are total number of outcomes, or say total sample space is 7. So the probability of 53rd Sunday in a non-leap year comes to 1 by 7. But for this purpose, we should consider these two things. Total number of days in a non-leap year 365, and out of these 365 days, first 364 days means 52 weeks. Each and every day has come for 52 times. The last 365th day has left. If it is Sunday, then there can be 53 Sundays. But it can be any one out of 7. So total number of possible outcomes are 7. And only one case, the Sunday itself stands in favor of Sunday. So favorable cases for the 53rd Sunday comes to 1. And hence the probability of 53rd Sunday is 1 by 7. Okay, thank you.